In today's episode, we're going to be making a super half cast oil. This oil is very active. If you don't want to whiten your skin, please do not come close because it's not meant for you. Hello guys, it's your girl again, Fresh Beauty World. Welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time of stopping by, you are welcome. Please kindly subscribe, turn on the notification bell below so you'll be the first to be notified each time we drop a video. So like I said earlier, we're going to be making a super active hard cast oil. This oil is very active. Like I said, if you don't want to whiten your skin, please do not come close. This is not for you. It's not meant for you. Okay, this is not only whitening the skin, it also helps you to treat your skin like dark spots, feel the way your stretch mark, green vein, and damaged skin. Like, it works for a whole lot of things. Okay, so this is not just a whitening oil, this is also a treatment oil, and you can as well sell this oil. You can as well follow up, use this recipe, and it's going to work for you because it's very active. You will never regret it. So I don't want this video to be too long. Let's dive into the video. So let me introduce the ingredients that we're going to be using to make this production. Number one ingredient we'll be using is VidCoach. Is it VidGold half cast oil, body glowing and whitening oil, quick whitening oil. The second one we'll be using is jojoba oil. The third one is sunflower oil. Here we'll be using white now oil. Here we'll be using our rescue oil. You guys know how active this oil is by treating black spots and stretch mark and so on and so on. Next is a coconut oil. This is a pure coconut oil. It not mix anything. And here we'll be using our vitamin E oil. We'll be needing our Oceanic Perfect Leg. We'll be using our Natural Secrets. And here we have a propylene glycol. Of course, we'll be needing miracle powder. So guys, now let's go there. Here is my measurement cups. Look at it. I'll be using 83 ml, 15 ml, and 31 ml for this production. So this is my base. I'm going to be using sunflower as my base. I'll be using 83 ml. I'll be using 2. This is it. 1, 2. Here I will be adding our jojoba oil. So I'll be using 2 as well. And I'll be using 3. It's 3 ml. I'll be using 3 VidGold oil. 1, 2, 3. So next I'll be using our coconut oil. Make sure you use original coconut oil, okay? We're using 2. So here we will be using one 83 mil. We're using one. Okay. Thirdly, so next is our natural secrets. We'll be using one as well. Guys, this oil is very active. As you can see what I'm adding here, it's very active. Like, it's a whitening oil. So if you don't want to whiten your skin, please and please do not come close. This is not for you. But if you want to whiten your skin and treat your skin, this oil is for you. So we'll be using we'll be using 31 mil. Oh, sorry. Okay, this is it. And here is our rescue oil. We'll be using 15 ml, 15 ml for this rescue oil. One. We're using two. Two. So next we're using our vitamin E oil. We're using 15 ml, one for this. So next we're using our propylene glycol. You guys know that it's very important to put a propylene glycol in all your productions so it can absorb. Please guys, help me to subscribe. Help me to subscribe and hit the like button. So we're using 15 ml of this propylene glycol. One, two. So next we'll be adding a pinch of miracle powder. Please subscribe, help me to subscribe, and also drop a comment in the comment section if you want me to do any video for you. If you want to, as in review or a product you want me to do a video on, just drop a comment in the comment section, okay? And I'll respond to you immediately. So this is it, and I'll go ahead and tie it together. So guys, this this is it. This is how our oil look like. You see it? So this is how our oil look like. Like I said earlier, this oil is not just a whitening oil, it's also a treatment oil. So if you want to whiten and glow your skin and also treat your skin at the same time with just one product, this oil is the best thing you can use, like best solution. So if you want to treat your skin and you want to whiten your skin, come and get this oil. You can as well make by yourself if you want to make by yourself, okay? But if you don't want to make by yourself, maybe you don't want to go into this stress, or you're scared of getting a fake product, come and buy from us. We also sell this in wholesale, so you can buy and resell. So guys, this is end of this video. If you find this video very interesting, if you learned anything from this video, please and please help me to subscribe. Help me, just hit the like button, the red button, and see you in my next video.